Good morning, guys. See, guys, what a beautiful flower. I already plant here, guys, outside of my house. I just put all the flowers, and then this yesterday I plant. This one santan, all flowers. Because here in Nepal always doing prayer with flowers, guys. See all beautiful flower. Look my snake plant, guys. Goat eating. Ganda, guys, no? Fresh all flowers. Very pretty. See all. From outside I just plant here. From there, the view is here is very amazing because all flowers. Lot of flowers, guys. Hello, guys. Kumusta kayo lahat? Guys, mag-ano tayo. This is my cleanser. Before it's finished already, guys. Oh, naubos na. And then, because it's done, guys, I'm doing always my cleanser with putting the cloves. Cloves, guys, ito. Cloves benefit the face, fighting acne, reducing inflammation, and acting as antioxidant, guys. Antioxidant. Because now it's done already. Finish it inside, guys. You saw inside. There is. Now I just buy the new one because I want to put. Lagyan natin, guys, ng cloves. Cloves also, guys, you can mix also with your curry or whatever because here in Nepal we are using always cloves also. This is good benefits. Here in Nepal, this is very herbal also, guys. See? I put it in my cleansing. I just put it 5 like this, guys, cloves. 1, 2, 3, like this. 3, and then 4, 5. I just put 5, guys.
What?
And then you can use it now. Like tomorrow, I can use it now.
Yeah.
Even you can put also 7. I will add on 7, 6. Then I shoot 7. Here you go, guys. See? So, guys. This is already, if you have pimples, for me, it's almost 2 years I'm using this. Any kind of cleansing, guys. Any kind of cleansing issue one as a plain one. And then you can add on like a 5, maximum 5 or 7 cloves you can add on from your cleansing. It's helpful for you guys, especially you have the pimples, acne, and then it become whitening also to your skin also, guys. This is the one. Or else plain water also you can add on. But now I'm already putting like this for the cleansing. Soon I will tell you, I will show you also, guys, for my plain water. See, it's done already, guys. Almost 2 years I'm using for this cloves. See, I have a lot of cloves here, guys. I just bought. It's already long time, this one. I think it's already 1 year. I buy this one because it's very small. The curry, whatever you can use it. You can cook. Especially in Philippines, we are using in adobo. Try it, guys, and then I just lock it. And then now it's ready, my cleansing. Here you go, guys. It's ready na. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Be kind and be happy. Thank you all. See, guys, it's nice, guys, no? But I will not show you the ano. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, guys. Kumusta kayo lahat? Now, mag-harvest tayo ng spinach, guys. Spinach, it means alugbati. Because I need to mix sabaw-sabaw, guys. There are very big leaves now, guys. Oh my God, it's very yummy. See, I'm already, oh my God. It's very harvesting, guys. Very big leaves, guys. Like sim-sim. Cover my face. Because today is our curry for today. Green leaves. It's nice to be, See, if you have plant, guys, in your mini garden, no fertilizer, and then very healthy. I just mix this one with the onion and garlic. And then, we have already for the dinner. Before it's very small, guys, see all. That's why I need to additional all stick. See, like this. I need to cut like this, guys. Here also I need to cut, guys. Ito. In the top also they have, but small. Mostly the big one I cut. And then you can mix whatever you can mix, guys. For me, I just mix with like a mungo. And then when you cook, this one is very smelling yummy. And then some more. Here you go, guys. I have now for food for today. Look, guys, very yummy. It's very small, only this good. Thanks God. I'm already harvesting this one, guys. I'm ready for cooking now, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you all for your support, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Be kind and be happy. I love you all. Mwah. Guys, this is the one I make with my chai seed. Chai seed, guys. What I do, I make it like a maximum 1 hour. Now it's like this, guys. And then, because I cannot drink without, I just add on lemon. I squeeze with lemon. So that there is a taste. Because if like this, I cannot drink, guys. Tastes like a water, but there is like a small seed. That's why. Ang ginawa ko, I put it like this. And then just add on sugar. Me and Sophia the same this, guys, but my husband, he can drink direct. Gusto niya diretso, guys, pero ako at saka si Sophia, no. This is for Sophia. Later, now she's in the tuition. Tapos ako ito na. This is, guys, cheers, see? It's very guys, oh. We'll try. You can mix also a juice. 8 o'clock, whatever kind of juice, you can melt it. But it's yummy. Delicious. Too much benefits for that, guys, this chai seed. Yummy siya. Mmm.